Hi, this is Adam from Times, your accounting assistant for the health industry. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage your health clinic's finances easily, from connecting your bank account to uploading and categorizing transactions and reviewing your financial statements. By the end of this video, you'll be able to connect your bank for seamless synchronization, upload and categorize your bank statement transactions automatically, view your profit and loss statement to understand your health clinic's financial performance, create your own custom dashboard that highlights the insights that matter most to your health business. Let's dive in. Once you log in, navigate to the Bank Transactions section on the sidebar menu. From the drop-down, click on Account and Sync. This opens the Bank Sync page, where you can connect your bank account for automatic synchronization. On this page, select the drop-down to view the Quick Setup Guide, which walks you through the connection process. It's important to note that once you enable sync for the connected bank account, Adam automatically imports up to 3 to 6 months of past transactions. After that, new transactions from the connected bank will sync automatically at the end of each day. Click Connect Bank to proceed to the Bank Connection Setup page. Here, follow the step-by-step process and complete the secure authentication. Ensure that only one bank account is selected for synchronization at a time. If you wish to enable sync for additional banks, repeat the process for each account individually. Once your connection is successful, you'll see a confirmation message, and within some minutes, your transactions begin to appear gradually, dropping in at intervals as Adam processes and categorizes them. To view your synced data, select the bank you just connected to filter out the bank transactions for that bank. Remember, Adam automatically pulls in up to 6 months of past transactions from your bank account. As shown here, all transactions from that period have been successfully imported and categorized. For example, I connected this bank in October this year. Adam automatically imported transactions from July through October this year. Using the date filter, you can see the transactions for the last 6 months that Adam pulled in after the sync, from July to October. After the sync, if you'd like to bring in older transactions, maybe to reconcile earlier records or get a full year's picture of your finances, you can do that through manual uploads. Here is a helpful tip. To do that, it's best to upload your statements month by month, starting with the oldest month first. For example, I have 2 bank statements, one for May 2025 and another for June 2025. Since I'm uploading older data, I'll start with the May 2025 bank statement, as it's the earlier one. This ensures that Adam captures my opening balances correctly and maintains an accurate cash flow history. To upload the bank statement manually, click on the Add New Transactions button. A modal will pop up for you to upload your transactions. Select your bank from the list, and if your bank isn't listed, you can create one manually. Then proceed to use the Attach icon to upload the bank statement. Once attached, I'll type my instruction asking Adam to upload and categorize this statement automatically. Now, here's a quick tip. It's ideal to upload about a year's worth of data. This gives Adam enough financial history to understand your health clinic spending and income patterns. So for example, since my auto-sync was done in October 2025, I can go ahead and upload bank statements as far back as November 2024. That gives me a full 12-month view of my business performance. Let's go ahead and filter to May 2025, the month I just uploaded, to see the results. Now you can see all the transactions from that statement displayed, fully categorized and added to my existing transaction history. Before syncing or uploading, it's recommended to train Adam first. Training Adam helps it understand what's unique about your health clinic's business, such as your medical services, revenue types, or typical operating expenses. Think of it as teaching Adam the language of your transactions. Go to the Train Adam section on the side menu to open the Train Adam page. Under the Banking Manager Agent, click the Edit icon to enter your custom instructions. Here's an example of instructions tailored specifically for a health clinic. Any transaction containing the phrase medical consultation or lab test in the narration should be categorized under medical service revenue. Any transaction containing the phrase purchased drugs or medical supplies should be categorized under medical supplies expense, with the vendor name set to Agromed Health Store. Click Submit once you're done. From this point on, Adam will automatically apply these rules to future synced or uploaded transactions by scanning the narration in your bank statement for these keywords and categorizing them accordingly. Let's now upload the June 2025 bank statement to see the impact of training. I'll click the Add Transactions button, select the same bank, attach the June statement, and instruct Adam to upload and categorize. Let's filter the date to June 2025. Here you'll see that all transactions are properly categorized into medical service revenue, medical supplies expense, and other relevant accounts. This shows how training makes Adam more precise for your health clinic's operations. This time, because Adam has been trained, it recognizes phrases like medical consultation and purchased drugs in the bank statement narration, and automatically categorizes them correctly, just as I instructed. The bank transactions table displays various categorization statuses to help you identify how each transaction has been classified. Here's what each status means. Categorized. Adam has successfully matched the transaction to the correct chart of account. Recognized. Adam has identified the transaction but hasn't categorized it yet. Processing. Adam is still reviewing that transaction and hasn't finished categorizing it yet. Uncategorized. Adam needs a little more context before it can categorize the transaction correctly. Now, I will set this transaction to uncategorized so that I can show you how to manually categorize it. To categorize it, just click on the uncategorized status. A drop-down appears, select categorized. Once you do that, a modal pops up for you to choose the destination and the account where this transaction should go. After selecting the account, click Save, and instantly, your transaction gets categorized into that account. Now, aside from categorizing individual transactions, you can also bulk categorize multiple transactions at once. When bulk categorizing, it's important to make sure the transactions you're selecting are of the same transaction type, for example, all credits or all debits. Once you've selected the transactions, go to the top menu, and you'll see the button Recategorize. Click on Recategorize, and a modal pops up, asking you to describe to Adam, or simply tell Adam where you want these transactions categorized. Now that we've categorized and reviewed the transactions, let's take a look at how this reflects in the financial reports. Navigate to the Reports section on the sidebar, where you'll find your profit and loss statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, etc. Click on the Profit and Loss menu to open the statement. Before diving in, Adam provides an instant analysis, summarizing key insights from your health clinic's financial performance. You can change the statement view between total, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. You can also export the statement if you need a copy to share, or for reporting. If you want a more tailored analysis, you can create your own custom dashboard. Navigate to the Custom Dashboard menu. This takes you to the page where you'll be prompted to give Adam an instruction on the custom dashboard to create. For example, I'll instruct Adam to create an operating expenses dashboard for the health clinic this year. Adam processes this request and instantly generates the dashboard complete with analysis. This gives you a visual, interactive snapshot of how your clinic's operating costs are performing over time. You can regenerate your dashboard report by clicking the Regenerate button. A modal will appear, allowing you to refine your prompt and specify what you'd like Adam to update on the dashboard. You can also print your dashboard report for record-keeping or sharing purposes. And that's it! Your health clinic's financial data is now organized, analyzed, and ready for decision-making, all powered by Adam. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.